Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Blackburn. I'm one of the A-level maths teachers here at Budehaven, and I'm going to talk you through why you should do maths or further maths here at Budehaven. Okay, so we have quite a few options maths-wise post-16. The first option is the GCSE Maths Reset. That's for students that didn't get a grade 4 or above at GCSE. Core maths, so there is a separate presentation talking through the core maths qualification, and it's basically not a full A-level. It's kind of a maths course to help support your other A-levels or to ensure that you've done some mathematics post-16. And then I'm going to focus on the AS or A-level maths courses and further maths courses that we offer here. So why choose maths? So the first reason is that it doesn't matter what other A-level subject you're studying. By taking A-level maths will help you with these subjects. So the government tried to make A-levels harder, or they did make A-levels harder. By doing that, they increased the amount of maths content in them. If you take A-level maths, it means that you will better understand that maths content. So you're going to be better at those A-levels. So maths really does help all your other subjects, okay, that you're taking. So it's not just your common subjects where we know there's lots of maths, like your physics and your sciences, okay, but other subjects such as geography and psychology. To make them more rigorous, the government increased the amount of maths that is in these subjects. If you want to do well in your degree, again, at degree level, most subjects involve a lot of mathematics, and universities will often ask students without an A-level maths, okay, to do top-up courses to bring their maths up to the required level so that they are able to tackle the maths in their subject. So why not just do A-level for another 2 years and then save you doing that work later on? Earn more. So no other A-level subject can say that potentially they earn more. However, it has been shown, okay, that those that study A-level maths later in life can increase their average earnings by 10%. So that's a good reason to take maths. There are lots of interesting careers that involve mathematics. So common ones: finance, computing, engineering. Okay, they all require you to have some sort of math background, so you can go into those careers. Most top-end occupations now require you to be good at maths. Okay, with the amount of data analysis, looking at statistics that's required at the top end of jobs, need you to have a good, fluent understanding of maths. And taking A-level maths will make sure that you have a good understanding of this. Okay, the number of students doing maths. So the yellow line shows the number of students doing A-level maths. So you can see year on year it is increasing. More and more students are taking some form of maths post-16. Okay, that's what the government wants, that's what universities want, that's what employers want. So if you're not doing maths, you really are in the minority. Okay, by taking maths, you'll keep it up with everyone else. You're putting yourself in that position to challenge other people for the top jobs, the top university places. The red line just shows AS entries. You can see that it rapidly increased again because students wanted an A-level or AS maths qualification. Okay, in 2017, you can see that it's dipped down. That's where the government took away really AS levels, and a lot of places stopped offering AS courses. Okay, but we still offer it here. Okay, this is the number of entries for A-levels. Okay, clearly you can see maths is at the top by a significant amount. So maths is the most popular subject at A-level. Okay, there's more entries than any other A-level. And again, it shows that if you're not doing A-level maths, you are in in the minority, really. Okay, so what is covered in the AS and A-level maths course? Okay, so there is some pure mathematics, okay, so that's your algebra, your proof, your trigonometry, your calculus, and your vectors, okay. A lot of what you have seen at GCSE, and we just carry on building on that. There's statistics, okay, so looking at data, understanding statistics, and looking at statistical distributions. And then mechanics, okay, this is the applying maths really to the real world, okay, and looking at modeling mathematics. So here at Budehaven, we do offer the AS qualification. So if you want to, you could take this for just 1 year and do your AS exams in your first year. And the AS final exam is split into 2 papers. So you do 1 paper pure in mechanics and paper 2, which is pure in statistics. And it's important to note that this qualification is standalone. It doesn't matter what you get in your AS. It does not count towards your final exams, okay, for the A-level maths. So you could do it for 1 year, or you might decide that you want to carry it on, but it doesn't count in your second year. So in the second year of study, when you do your full A-level, okay, you sit 3 papers, 1 pure paper, and then the other 2 papers are made up of pure in mechanics and pure in statistics. Okay, and these 3 papers, okay, the marks on these go towards your final grade. Okay, so further maths. So further maths is for students that really, really enjoy maths. And they want to do a maths qualification that sets them apart from everyone else. So not many people do further maths, okay, but those that do, it really does show, 1, that they're really good at maths, and 2, okay, that they are an individual, a high caliber individual, and universities and employers recognize this. So what is covered in the further maths course? Okay, so the course, again, the majority is pure. Okay, so 50% of the AS and 60% of the A-level overall is pure mathematics. The remainder of the course, okay, is made up of either statistics, mechanics, and decision. And this is the structure of the course. So again, you can do an AS in further maths. Okay, there's 2 papers at the end of the year. So the first paper is a pure paper, and the second paper is based on your optional units. Again, you can just do the AS. Okay, that's because the government really does want you to do maths post 16. So you can do just a year doing further maths, and you can get an AS. If you carry on for the 2 years, again, the AS doesn't count towards this, but it's 3 papers right at the end of your second year. Okay, paper 1, which is further pure, paper 2, another pure paper, and then the paper 3, which is your optional units. So the last thing for me, choose maths. Okay, it is a really good course to follow, and it is what employers, universities want you to do.